Hello, all my friends. Today, let me present a reliable mask factory for all of you. It's risk-free to buy masks from this mask factory because this mask factory is big, professional, and reliable. Even the US government buy masks from this mask factory. First, let's see the price they can offer. This is the CIF price we can offer. Unit price CIF Euro, USA and Canada. If for the other region, please check the price with me again. For the disposable face mask, we offer this price. NOQ 2,000 pieces, unit price 0.47. 4,000 this price, 10,000 this price, 20,000 this price. All of these are the CIF price, so it's risk-free for all of you. Let's see the price for KN95. This is the price for KN95 mask, NOQ 1000. For 1000, the unit price is 1.43 US dollars. Remember, this is the CIF, Euro, America and Canada unit price. 5,000 pieces, $1.4. 10,000 pieces, 1.36 US dollars. 20,000 pieces, 1.34 US dollars. Okay, let's see their headquarters. This is their headquarters. This is their industry park. Before we continue, let's watch two TV programs in the United States. From these two TV programs, you can know the US government buy masks from this mask factory. Let's watch the TV program.
FedEx plane carrying a massive shipment of personal protective equipment landed at the Manchester-Boston Regional Airport on Sunday.
New Hampshire got a great Easter present this morning.
91,000 pounds of PPE arrived on the tarmac. The shipment includes 6.6 million masks, 50,000 face shields, and 24,000 Tyvek coverall suits. A joint effort on the state and federal level.
For all of those people who are affected by COVID-19, this could be the difference between success and failure in dealing with this pandemic, between life and death.
What today is truly a jumping off point, not just for the state, but for all the healthcare facilities, all the individuals who can actually start benefiting from getting this PPE. We're going to get it out the door as fast as we can.
Governor Sununu credits local inventor Dean Kamen, who led the effort to...
This is the mask made in this mask factory.
Acquire the equipment, fronting the $4.5 million bill. The state will eventually pay the full cost.
There's enough there for the police, for first responders.
The brand name Aoxin, disposable face mask. Okay, let's watch another video.
It's hard at work. We all keep hearing the stories of PPE, making sure that we're bringing in the supply wherever the need may be. And today I'd like to very publicly and personally thank the folks located down in Peterborough in an incredible way, working across the state in the 200,095 masks. That again will be
This is the mask made in this mask factory. The brand name, Aoxin brand.
deployed over the coming weeks. And again, this is the first very significant effort. We have had a couple small ones, but the first
Okay, next let me show you. Let me show you the test result for the mask made in this mask factory. The test result shown in CDC website. This test is done by this laboratory in the United States. Let me show you. Filtration efficiency, maximum, minimum. This factory, Dongguan Aoxin, KN95, this standard. The minimum filtration rate is also 99.02%, so it's pretty high. The quality of this mask is pretty good. Okay, next I will show you their workshop for all of you. Their workshop. Let me see their workshop. This is their workshop. Their workshop is pretty clean. Yes, good products must be made in a good environment. The gift box for the disposable face mask. Gift box for KN95. Master carton. Okay, let's go into the workshop to have a look. Let's watch the workshop video. This is their workshop, very big. Their machine, advanced machine. Okay, let's watch a next video. Automatic machine. Oh, this is the mask for the children. let me show you other photos. We export many masks to the overseas market. This is the container. Let me show you here. The goods, the warehouse, our warehouse, the gift box. Okay, let me show you the quotation sheet again. Remember, this is the unit price, the CIF unit price, CIF Europe, USA and Canada. If for the other regions, please check with me again for the unit price. This unit price, door-to-door service. The goods will be delivered to your warehouse at our cost. So it's risk-free for all of you. So if you need the masks made in this factory, please contact me. I am here in China to help you. I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Please contact me for the quotation sheet. Thank you. Bye-bye.